Hello everyone, just wanted to make a short video on how I do my doggy treats for my spoiled dogs. So let me tell you first, you can do it one of two ways. You can either use the oven or you can use air fryer. I prefer air fryer, but mine's broke right now, so we're going to go via the oven. I will set my oven for 350 degrees and I will bake them for approximately 30 minutes. I mean, you can give or take in the seed depending on how many you have, but this normally makes with 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 egg, and your meat of choice. You can use chicken liver, chicken gizzards. I use chicken. This today is going to be chicken end pieces. I've used peanut butter and also some pumpkin. I mix those two together and I make it. So okay, let me tell you the ingredients for this one right here. Besides the meat of your choice, I boil them in vegetable stock. I also boil them in chicken stock. And let me get this from falling over. Give me a minute. There we go. Now I got it. Sorry about that, y'all. But anyways, this one right here, it's also ginger and basil. I was told that basil's good for preventing cancer and ginger's good for a healthy blood flow. The gluten's in the whole wheat flour is what makes your doggy treats chewy, really chewy. Anyways, so that is why I do it the way I do it. Now here, like I said, I'm boiling it in vegetable stock and chicken stock. Once those are completed, I'm going to take them over here to my little handy dandy grinder right there. I'm going to mix them all up with an egg and put it in with the flour. Let's see if I can get you to sit straight. There we go. So, and once all that's done, you can either use the batter right then and there, or you can store it in the refrigerator, I'd say for no more than 3 days. Once those are completed, give me 1 second. I will clean off my kitchen table. That's part of more of my crafting stuff back there, if y'all are wondering. I'm a craftaholic. Whether it be with my food, or my crafts, or my jewelry, I'm a craftaholic. So, but anyways, so what we've got here now is the bag. I put the gloves on to mix up the dough. Then I found these. I do believe I got these at Joann's. And I stuff them in there, and then I put them out on the pan. But before I put them in the oven, I make sure my pan is covered with wax paper. It helps cook them better. And then I've got my cookie cutter as well. And I do believe I got that at Joann's too, in the baking department. Then I got my little bags that I store them in. I roll them out with the rolling pin when I'm using my cookie cutter itself. And I use the, I just pull it off in portions, and I put them in here, and then I pop them out. My dogs go nuts for them. I'll guarantee it. So anyways, I just thought y'all would like to know this. I hope you enjoy. Please like below, subscribe if you can, and I hope to get back at you again with another creative creation. Bye, y'all.